और आइए इस वक्त सीधे आपको ले चलते हैं चेन्नई, जहां इंडिया टुडे कॉन्क्लेव का मंच तैयार है और कुछ ही देर में यहां पर एआईएडीएमके की महासचिव शशिकला नटराजन होंगी। ये उनका पहला टीवी अपीयरेंस होगा जिसमें उनका ये इंटरव्यू होगा। दक्षिण भारत के बड़े नेताओं के लिए ये मंच तैयार है।
In 1981, with her mentor, the late Mr. M.G. Ramachandran, who founded the AIADMK. When I told him that his critics said that the AIADMK was only an MGR show, the beloved leader and later Bharat Ratna awardee humbly told me, and I quote this, "The AIADMK does not exist because of a single individual called MGR. If MGR gives sustenance to the party, it is because he reflects the policies and programs of the great Annadurai. The moment people lost faith in me, MGR, the hero, becomes a zero." Madam Jayalalitha followed her mentor MGR's advice and took it to even greater heights, which saw her win a historic re-election as Chief Minister just 6 months ago. But the untimely death of Amma, unfortunate, as we all know, and we're all saddened by it, the torch has now been passed of the AIADMK to Madam V.K. Sashikala, popularly known as Chinna Amma. Madam Sashikala was recently elected as General Secretary of the party and entrusted with the task of upholding the vision of Anna, MGR and Amma and their astounding legacy of selfless service. Perhaps no one knew the charismatic Madam J. Jayalalitha better than Madam Sashikala, her most trusted associate for 3 decades. Madam Sashikala was by Amma's side through many ups and downs. She was her closest friend, her sister, her support, and her confidant. And therefore it is fitting that she inaugurates a photographic tribute by India Today to Amma, who defined and dominated an era in Tamil Nadu. Madam Sashikala has also kindly consented to light the lamp to inaugurate the conclave, and we thank you for that, Madam. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in extending an extremely warm welcome to Madam V.K. Sashikala, General Secretary of the AIADMK. Thank you very much.
Have a huge round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, Madam Sashikala, thank you so much. With your blessings, what a wonderful way to start the India Today South Conclave. I would also request you to kindly inaugurate a very special photo exhibition put together by the India Today group, as we remember the Iron Lady of Tamil Nadu, who was not only revered and respected, but will always be remembered forever. Let's remember Tamil Nadu's very own Amma. A huge round of applause.
चेन्नई से आप ये इंडिया टुडे कॉन्क्लेव की इस वक्त लाइव तस्वीरें देख रहे हैं। इस कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ हुआ जिसमें शुरुआत में ही पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री जयललिता को ट्रिब्यूट दिया गया, श्रद्धांजलि उन्हें दी गई। और इस मौके पर आप देख रहे हैं इस वक्त AIADMK की जनरल सेक्रेटरी शशिकला नटराजन नवनिर्वाचित, उनकी आंखें छलक आई, भावुक हो गई उन तस्वीरों को देखते हुए, इतिहास के उन बीते लम्हों को देखते हुए जो उन्होंने जयललिता के साथ बिताए। दीप प्रज्वलन के साथ ही इस कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ किया गया, लेकिन इस फोटो प्रदर्शनी के जरिए श्रद्धांजलि जयललिता को दी गई और इस दौरान आंखें डबडबाई, छलक आई शशिकला नटराजन की।
Member of the Rajya Sabha to kindly share his memories of the late Chief Minister and her immense contribution to the state of Tamil Nadu.
लाजमी है इस तरह से भावुक होना, क्योंकि एक लंबा सफर शशिकला नटराजन ने जयललिता के साथ तय किया है। उनकी बेहद करीबी रही हैं, दोस्त, सखी, बहन की तरह, छाया की तरह पल पल उनके साथ रही, चाहे वो उनका राजनीतिक सफर हो या निजी जीवन में उनकी जिंदगी का अहम हिस्सा होना हो।
राज चेंगप्पा, ग्रुप एडिटोरियल डायरेक्टर, इंडिया टुडे ग्रुप, the honorable ministers of Tamil Nadu, distinguished dignitaries, delegates, ladies and gentlemen. It is a pride.